Hello guys, now I will show you how I make lumpia. So I use what kind of vegetables and meat what I use. I use this one ground beef 300 kilogram, and this is the beans. This is the carrots. I like always mini vegetables in my lumpia. Sometimes I make also lumpia vegetables only without meat. And this is the cabbage. I, my daughter said no tauge, so. And this is the garlic. And this is the onion. And this is, I use also a silver swan for the taste. And then I use also mamacita. It's a mamacita's lumpia. So that's if I use this one and the and the soy sauce, so I don't use any more salt because my husband don't like the salt. Now I put the garlic. So now I put the ground beef. Then little bit pepper. Just a pepper. So now guys, the meat is already cooked now. So I put the carrots. Now I put again the beans. So look, it's mini vegetables now. And then the last one is the cabbage. I always use cabbage if I make lumpia, bihon, or bami. So now I put soy sauce. I put 3 tablespoons. So now I put a Mamacita bouillon mix. Mamacita for the lumpia mix. This is a lumpia mix. One and half. So I don't use anymore the salt because I put a Mamacita mix. The vegetables and the please. So I will put here until become cold without look. There is the sauce. But that's why I put here so that little bit dry. Then I wait until become cold. Then I make again. And this is what I use. So I buy this one in the Asian store. Tapos, yan po yung panggig ng lumpia. Tubig. Water. I use only for the water. And then, here. That is the... So now I begin making. So this is guys. But before you do this one, then you do first this because this one already this is already black. Okay. So it's already black. So you you separate first to each other. Ah, ito na guys. Lumpia ko. Tapos na ako. Tapos mamaya ipakita ko sa inyo na magkain kami ng lumpia. Ang lumpia ko. Ang lumpia.